checkpoint 7.10. This is going to be array. Identify, fix the errors. So if you look at here, line number 15, when you declare array, which is here, the size you can declare later on. So if you want to say double values, that's okay. And you double, then you can say 100. Okay. And then here array, the length is actually constants. Okay. So this one will return the constants 100. So remove. And then when you assign the value to array, okay, the index start from 0 less than 100 and 1 at a time. So here is the one. We use look like a rectangle shape, parenthesis. Okay. Then random is actually a method. Okay. So this way, random function will return value between 0 less than 1 multiplied by 100. So random value between 0 and then less than 100. Okay. So I will say 99.99 will be returned, then random number will be generated, then save it here. Okay. So that's what, if you want to print, of course you use a loop to print. For the questions, I fixed the errors. That's all. Thank you.